Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen without cursor. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. First we start with basic checks. First you need to check monitor connection. Ensure your monitor is properly connected to your laptop and that is powered on. And if it is not working, try to using different cable or port. And then after you can restart your laptop or desktop. Then you can see is that still happening or not. It is still occurred. We need to go to advanced solutions. First you need to pause restart your computer. To do that you need to press the power button for about 10 seconds to force your laptop or desktop to shut down. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times until you see the automatic repair screen. When you see the automatic repair screen, you need to select the advanced options, then go to troubleshoot and go to advanced option again and startup setting and press on restart. So then you will enter the safe mode. In the safe mode, you need to uninstall the display adapter driver. To do that, think about this is in your safe mode. You need to right click on the start menu and go to device manager here, and you can see the display adapters in here. Tap on it. Currently I have Intel HD graphic 4000, so you need to right click on it and tap on uninstall device. So it will ask this kind of pop-up menu, and click on this one and tap on uninstall. Then it will be uninstall the display driver. So yeah, and then after you need to go to automatic repair screen again using select the troubleshoot, advanced option and startup repair. Then it will be Windows attempt to fix the startup issues. And the last option is check for Windows updates. To check the Windows updates, you need to go to start menu here, go to setting and choose the last option in the left side menu, Windows update. And I am currently post the Windows update. In your case you need to resume or tap on check for update button. Then it will be find the new updates and automatically installed on your computer. Then it will be check fix your driver issues and other things also. So this method you can follow the fix the Windows 11 black screen without cursor issue. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like in this video.